Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If Google Chrome refuses to open and displays error code 0xc00000a5, this usually indicates the browser is failing to start correctly due to a sandbox or compatibility conflict. I will show you exactly how to fix this right now. Let's get started. First, this error is frequently caused by Chrome attempting to run in an older Windows compatibility mode. Right-click on your Google Chrome desktop shortcut, select Properties, and click the Compatibility tab. Ensure the box that says Run this program in compatibility mode for is completely unchecked, then click Apply and OK to save the changes. Next, we can bypass Chrome's security sandbox, which often triggers this specific startup error. Right-click the Chrome shortcut again and select Properties. Click the Shortcut tab and look at the Target text box. Click at the very end of the existing path, press the spacebar once, and type --no-sandbox before clicking Apply and OK. Finally, if the shortcut fixes fail, you can force Windows to register the application anew. Right-click your Chrome shortcut and select Open File Location to find the main application file. Right-click the application, select Rename, and add a 1 to the end so it reads chrome1.exe. Right-click this newly renamed file, click Create Shortcut, and place the fresh shortcut on your desktop. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.